Alright. I look a hot mess. But it's JJ up in the house. And that's my girl. I forgot her name. We gonna name her Miss Anonymous.
Anonymous. Why you gotta be so nice?
So she gotta fucking sing, really?
Look at this boy.
Oh, he's sexy.
Oh, he's sexy.
Wait, go back.
No.
No?
When you put this video.
No, come on now. I bet you. I'm on here. Want to see that? I'm gonna talk real ghetto.
Look,
because I feel like it. Oh, you changed it. You changed it. Look, that ain't fair. That ain't fair. People in America want to see that type of body.
In America,
you know they be seeing all that big stuff, and they don't want to be seeing that.
You're so loud. Okay.
I know. I'm black. Alright, you see that?
Oh man.
You see that?
Oh man.
Yeah, that's what you call American Eagle.
Eagle. Okay.
It's, what time is it?
6:12.
6:12 in the morning. I ain't sleep, so I ain't got no sleep. I'm tired. I think I'm tired. I don't know what I am.